Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Surah Al-Hood is chapter number 11 of the Quran. Its revelation number is 52. It was revealed at Makkah. It has 10 sections and 123 ayat verses. Section 5, ayat 50 to 60.
وَإِلَىٰ عَادٍ أَخَاهُمْ هُودًا قَالَ يَا قَوْمِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ مَا لَكُم مِّنْ إِلَٰهٍ غَيْرُهُ إِنْ أَنْتُمْ إِلَّا مُفْتَرُونَ. 50. And to the tribe of Ad we sent their brother Hud. He said, O my people, worship Allah. You have no God other than He. You are doing nothing but inventing lies. يا قوم لا أسألكم عليه أجرا إن أجري إلا على الذي فطرني أفلا تعقلون.
51. O my people, I do not ask you for any reward for it. My reward is with Him who has created me. Do you not then understand?
ويا قوم استغفروا ربكم ثم توبوا إليه يرسل السماء عليكم مدرارا ويزدكم قوة إلى قوتكم ولا تتولوا مجرمين.
52. And, O my people, beg forgiveness of your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer. Then turn to Him in repentance. He will send from heaven abundant rains and increase your adding strength to your strength. And do not turn away as sinners.
قالوا يا هود ما جئتنا ببينة وما نحن بتاركي آلهتنا عن قولك وما نحن لك بمؤمنين.
53. They said, O Hud, you have not come to us with any clear proof, and we are not going to give up our gods at your word, and we are not going to believe you.
إن نقول إلا اعتراك بعض آلهتنا بسوء قال إني أشهد الله واشهدوا أني بريء مما تشركون.
54. We say nothing but that some of our gods have afflicted you with an evil. He who said, I call Allah to witness, and you too be witness, that I am clear of what you associate with Allah. 55. Other than Him, so scheme against me, all of you, and then give me no respite.
إني توكلت على الله ربي وربكم ما من دابة إلا هو آخذ بناصيتها إن ربي على صراط مستقيم. 56. I have surely put my trust in Allah, my Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, and your Rabb, Creator and Sustainer. There is not a moving creature but that He holds it by its forelock. Verily, my Rabb, Creator and Sustainer is on the straight path. فإن تولوا فقد أبلغتكم ما أرسلت به إليكم ويستخلف ربي قوما غيركم ولا تضرونه شيئا إن ربي على كل شيء حفيظ.
57. But if you turn away, then I have conveyed to you that with which I have been sent towards you, and my Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, will appoint as vice-regents on earth a people other than you, and you will not be able to do him any harm. My Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, is guardian over all things.
ولما جاء أمرنا نجينا هودا والذين آمنوا معه برحمة منا ونجيناهم من عذاب غليظ.
58. And when our command came, we saved Hud and those who believed with him by mercy from us, and we saved them from a grievous punishment.
وتلك عاد جحدوا بآيات ربهم وعصوا رسله واتبعوا أمر كل جبار عنيد.
59. And these were the people of Ad. They rejected the signs of their Rabb, Creator and Sustainer, and disobeyed His messengers, and followed the bidding of every headstrong tyrant.
وَأُتْبِعُوا فِي هَذِهِ الدُّنْيَا لَعْنَةً وَيَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ أَلَا إِنَّ عَادًا كَفَرُوا رَبَّهُمْ أَلَا بُعْدًا لِعَادٍ قَوْمِ هُودٍ.
60. And they were pursued by a curse in this world and on the day of resurrection as well. Lo, indeed the people of Ad disbelieved in their Rabb, Creator and Sustainer. Listen, away with Ad, the people of Hud. Synopsis of section 5, Ayat 50 to 60. This section tells of the people of Ad and Prophet Hud alayhi salam. They were invited to monotheism and were advised to turn away from disbelief, polytheism and idolatry, and to seek forgiveness from Allah Almighty for their sins. But the people stubbornly denied the truth. Prophet Hud alayhi salam tried to convince them in every way, but when they refused, he told them, I have delivered the message with which I was sent. If you do not accept it, your Lord will replace you with another people. Allah's punishment then descended upon them. The disobedience were destroyed, while Prophet ﷺ and his followers were saved. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon.